Hi everyone, today let us discuss about one special feature of Excel that itself called Page Special. Let me show you how it works. I am copying this portion, Ctrl C. Then I have to go to the Page Special option. Here it is, the Page Special. Then there are various options in Page Special. I am selecting formulas. Just click OK. Let me click here. You will see here that it is only copying the formulas. So formulas have been copied. Now in the second option I will again go to the Page Special. Now I will just click the values. You see, now you see in the bar no formula have been copied, only the values. Now in the third option I will go in Page Special again and I will click the format. Now you see it just have copied the format. So this way you can use Page Special in your various other activities. Do subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.